Hey everyone! Welcome back to Easy Drawing Ideas. Today, we'll learn how to draw a house in just a few simple steps. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, kids, or anyone who loves easy drawing ideas. Grab your pencil and paper, and let's get started. A cute and simple house drawing. Don't forget to add your own details, maybe tree flowers or even a rainbow. If you enjoyed this easy drawing tutorial, hit the like button, subscribe for more easy drawing ideas, and comment below what you'd like to draw next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.